Hey folks, Tom Dowling, LensCaptureOnline. I'm out here at the famous Lens Capture Proving Ground, also known as Gene Dry Lake Bed. Well, we were out here flying the Avata. Maybe I'll throw off some footage, don't know. Pretty windy. We came out here, got out of the car, no wind at all. As soon as I powered up the drone, we're probably doing about 15 to 25 mile an hour winds now. So went through about 3 battery packs and figured that would be it for the day. But not to make it a wasted effort, I figured I would show you this case I got from STARTRC. And it's an amazing case, so let's take a look at that. This is their STARTRC Waterproof Case, Pelican-like case. And what I like about this is the positive latching that it has. Now, inside the case, right away, you'll see we have a compartment for the goggles, and I'm using the Goggles 3. Have room for the 3 batteries in the battery hub. Have another spot for batteries right here. I keep some cabling in this one. Here, I have my X-Real AR glasses that I'll use with my RC2 controller. Right here is a spot for the Motion Controller 3. And of course, we have the Avata 360. Now, when you lift up the Avata 360, below it is space for the RC2. And that's what I love about this case, that I can have both controllers with me. Underneath that, I have some paperwork, of course. I have my permits for Henderson Parks. I have my registration paperwork. I have an extra card. I have some other documentation, and I have a 100-watt charger under there as well. And all of that fits neatly inside this case, which is great. And again, the one shortfall of this is no place to put your landing pad. And if any of you are flying with this Avata 360, you know you're doing one of 2 things. You're hand catching, or you're making sure you land on the landing pad. So to ensure that I always have the landing pad with me, even though I hand catch more than I don't, is I bought this pack-all case, threw it on here. It fits the bag. I have it clipped into the strap over here, but also it is glued with space tape on the side. So it all works out. It's a nice package. Everything's in here, ready to go. And I'll tell you, this case wound up costing me, yes, I paid for this case, it wasn't a gift. This case cost me $79. Now, this is through the STARTRC website. Again, I've tried to look for this case up on Amazon. It's not yet released up on Amazon. It did take me about a week and a half to receive the product after I ordered it. But again, I don't think there is a better case out on the market. I have 4 batteries right now with my Avata 360. I have space for the 5th battery, which I'm waiting to be delivered. And with this kit, I don't know that there's anything else I need. So there you have it. This is the STARTRC Waterproof Hard Case. I definitely recommend it.